Hello everyone! Today we'll talk about local traditional markets.
Markets are very lively and interesting places. Yes, I've been to many traditional markets.
The address.
My favorite one is a market in Phan Rang. It's very big and always crowded.
I usually go there with my grandma on Sunday mornings.
I saw lots of fresh seafood, colorful fruits, and many kinds of vegetables. It was a bit noisy with people talking and selling, but I also heard the sound of laughter.
The smell of fresh food was amazing. Look at all this, and everything is so affordable here.
Yeah, you can really find some great fresh things for good prices. This is seriously a great way to experience local life.
Totally. It's so different and so much fun. It's just so lively, isn't it? Every corner has something new.
Definitely. You really get a feel for the culture here. I really liked it here. It's such a unique vibe.
Me too. So many fresh things, so many new experiences. So, that's our take on a local traditional market.
It's definitely a must visit to experience local life.
Thanks for joining us. Bye. Hello everyone! We're so excited to take you on an adventure today!
We're at a super big traditional market in Maya's city. Wow, look at all these people. It's usually super busy here.
Yeah, it's completely packed. Everyone's here for something special. Oh my gosh, look at these amazing mangoes! So bright and colorful!
They look delicious. I bet they taste even better than they look. And check out these dragon fruits. They're so unique.
I love how vibrant they are. The market has so many cool things. Look at all these beautiful flowers. They're absolutely everywhere.
The colors are incredible. It smells amazing here, like a garden.
It's a bit noisy with everyone talking and asking prices, right?
Totally, but it's part of the fun. This market is full of life.
Doesn't the market smell so fresh? It's like nature and food all mixed together.
Yeah, it's a really clean, earthy smell. So different from a regular grocery store.
I love buying fruits here. They're always so fresh and delicious for my family.
Yeah, you can really taste the difference. Super good quality. These flowers are gorgeous. I think my mom would really love them.
They're absolutely perfect, Ethan. A great memory of our market trip. Traditional markets are so important, not just for fresh products,
but also because they really show our city's culture and history.
They're amazing. Hey everyone, we've been exploring a big traditional market in our city today. It's usually super busy and just full of people, as you can see.
It can get a little noisy with everyone talking and calling out prices, right?
Totally, but it's actually really fun and full of energy. And the market smells so fresh, like all these amazing fruits.
Yeah, I love it because we can buy really fresh and delicious fruits for our families here.
And we also got some beautiful flowers too. They're so vibrant.
I think traditional markets are super important because they always have such fresh products.
And they really show off our culture in such a cool way.
It's been an awesome experience. Thanks for joining us.
I've been to a small traditional market. It's not very big or crowded, but it's very peaceful. I went there last summer when I visited my grandpa. I saw local farmers selling fresh vegetables. They look so kind.
And not faint.
And homemade food.
I heard birds singing and people talking quietly.
I heard birds singing and people talking quietly. The The air was so fresh. I liked it because it was calm and I could buy unique gifts. It also reminds me of my grandpa's village life.
That's really special, Lily.
This little charm really reminds me of my grandpa's village life. I really loved it here because it's just so calm and peaceful.
Yeah, it's a completely different vibe than a city market.
I think traditional markets are so special because they really keep old traditions alive. And they offer such amazing, fresh, local goods.
You can definitely taste the difference.
It's been an amazing trip, and I hope you enjoyed our tour of this special market.
Bye, everyone!